This is Susan and her dog, Benny. One night, Susan took Benny out for a walk.
Ah!
Ooh! Suddenly, a ghost appeared. Later,
Eek!
a monster jumped out. Then,
Yikes!
Cackle, cackle.
a witch walked out. After that,
Oh no!
Meow.
a big black cat arrived. Next, ho ho ho!
Gulp!
A wizard came along. Soon after,
Ah!
grrr, a mummy walked over. Then,
Sob, sob! Eek, eek!
a big bat flew over. Afterwards,
Ugh!
a zombie appeared. Happy Halloween! Don't worry, they are just kids wearing costumes.